acrobatic. I put some silver Sharpie on the propellers.
Oh, so you see the circles?
Yeah. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but
That's the camera to see what you got.
co-pilot.
Augi.
He's the co-pilot for today. Mr. Augi boy, the bestest boy of all boys in the world. Got the A10 on the run-up.
The battery so you can fly with the A10.
All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna do the first video with the in-cabin camera. Augie, come over here. Augie, come on. Come on, bud. Come on. Runway, taxi. Augie. Taking off. I'll wait for him to pass. Yeah, try to get a nice zoom. See if we can get a shot of that A10. Alright, let's do some cool stuff now. I don't want to get in the way of the A10. Alright, here we go. So we're going to go up, come around. We're going to go for a knife edge. So flatten out. You got to stay zoomed in real far and just follow it. All right, so we'll do a lower pass. Then we're gonna go up and around. We're gonna hit a knife edge. Come back, pull out of it. Gonna go for a Cuban 8. Fly straight, gonna loop over, got a lot of wind, gonna roll, down, loop, roll, there we go. Getting a little bit more acrobatic with it, go up for a stall, roll, oh, stall, turn, stall, bring it back around for a knife edge. It's all good. Guys, if you're watching the YouTube channel and the videos of me suck, it's all Federico's fault, but it's all good, right? Hey, props to Federico for being the guy that's helping me, because I'm always behind the camera, so it's nice landing. It's nice to have someone that's willing to film for you. So, hey, dude, I appreciate it. Yeah, if you lose it for a second, it'll go out of focus and it'll focus on the sky, and then it's impossible to see the plane. So yeah, I mean, that's just, you'll get better. You just got to stay on it. But I don't blame you because it's really hard to see right now. All right, guys. So if you see this video, it was good enough to post it. I'm kind of excited because we have the FPV from inside the plane. So hey, thanks for watching.